Hello everyone, I'm Ashraf. Welcome to A Square again. I'm here to explain about some common errors students commit in basic algebra and the ways to avoid that. As you know, the word algebra is derived from the name of a book which was written 2800 years ago. Algebra wal Muqabala, which means broadly rearranging and cancelling the algebraic expressions, which was written by Musa bin Muhammad al-Khwarizmi, an Arab astronomer. Again, what's algebra? As you know, it's a game with variables. We denote variables by x or y or any English letter. What's called a variable? If I ask you, what's the amount of money you have in your pocket? Everyone has different answer. I can denote that unknown number by A. Everyone has A amount of money in their pocket. Here A represents different numbers. A is a variable. I can use this letter variable in different occasions. I imagine a number. When I add 2 to that number, I get 10. So I can say that the number which I imagine can be denoted by x. So x plus 2 is equal to 10. I imagine a number. When we add 2, then the answer is 10. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 10. In algebra, there are some common notations we have to learn about. If we write 5x, that means 5 times x. Mn means m times n. What's m cube? That is m times m times m. Now we will come back to the errors. The most common error the students commit is like this. 5m the whole square is equal to 5m square. If there is a bracket, that square is coming to 5 and m both. So it is 5 square times m square. That is 25m square. Or in general, if you have AB bracket square, that is a square b square. See, what is 2x the whole cube? That is 2 cube times x cube. That means 8x cube. So 2x the whole cube is not equal to 2x cube. When you see a times a times a times a, that is not equal to 4a. That is a to the power 4. What's 4a? 4a is equal to a plus a plus a plus a. So this is true for any power. Many occasions I witnessed the students writing 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Can you add 2x plus 3y? No. X got some value, y got some other value. It's like 2 books and 3 pens. Can we add 2 books and 3 pens to 5 book pens? Not possible, right? The same way, 2x plus 3y cannot be 5xy. 2 books plus 3 books is equal to 5 books. Or 2 pens plus 3 pens is equal to 5 pens. So 2x plus 3x can be 5x, but 2x plus 3y cannot be added. It can be left like that. Another common error is like this. A by b plus c is equal to a by b plus a by c. You cannot split the denominator. If there is plus in the denominator or minus in the denominator, you cannot split like this. But this is possible. A plus b the whole by x is equal to a by x plus b by x. Another common error is when you divide a fraction by whole number or whole number by fraction. See, the general rule is a fraction divided by a fraction, a over b divided by c over d. That means a over b times the reciprocal of the second, the flip of the second. So A over B times D over C. Now you can multiply the numerator and denominator. So it will be like this. If it is A over B divided by C, so this C can be taken as C by 1. You know, any whole number can be taken as that number divided by 1. So A over B divided by C over 1. Now you can use the rule I have told. A over B times the reciprocal of C over 1, the flip of C over 1, that is 1 over C. So that's like this. If it is A divided by B over C, now A means A over 1. B over C, flip reciprocal is C over B. So A over 1 times C over B. So it's like this. Another common error is m plus 3 the whole square is equal to m square plus 3 square. Is it right? It's not. For example, if you have 3 plus 2 the whole square, is it equal to 3 square plus 2 square? No, because 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 square is equal to 25. 3 square plus 2 square means 9 plus 4, which is 13. 25 is not equal to 13. So what's m plus 3 the whole square? That is m plus 3 times m plus 3. How do you multiply these two? You have to multiply each and every term. That is m times m times 3, 3 times m, and 3 times 3. So it will be like this simplified. In general, a plus b the whole square is a plus b times a plus b, and it is simplified to this. What's the difference between minus a the whole square and negative a square? Minus a the whole square is minus a times minus a. Negative times negative is positive, a times a is a square, so it becomes a square. So for negative a, if there is a bracket n square, then it becomes positive. But negative of a square is equal to same negative a square, because that square is not for negative, that is only for a. Same like the previous one, common mistake of a square plus b square is like this. Root of a square plus b square is equal to a plus b. That is wrong. Square root of a square times b square can be written as ab. Square root of a square over b square can be written as a over b. But never root of a square plus b square equal to a plus b. Root of a square minus b square is not equal to a minus b. Can we write root 2 plus root 3 is equal to root 5? No, it's not. It stays like that. You can add only 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. If the number inside root or variable inside root is same, you can add it. But root 2 plus root 3 is not equal to root 5. But root 2 times root 3 can be multiplied. That is square root of 2 times 3, square root of 6. And root 2 divided by root 3 is equal to root of 2 over 3. But root 2 minus root 3 is not equal to root of 2 minus 3. Another common mistake is when you subtract a binomial or trinomial from another polynomial. You know, if you have two terms minus another two terms, for example, you are subtracting x minus 3 from 2x plus 3. So it is 2x plus 3 minus of x minus 3. 2x plus 3 minus x, then minus negative. So like terms can be added or subtracted and can be simplified like this. So common mistake is you just ignore the bracket and you will write like this. This is wrong. See this, 10a minus 4a minus 2a. If you subtract 4a minus 2a first, you get 2a. So 10a minus 2a is 8a. This is wrong. Why? This negative, this minus before 4a is for this 4a. So you cannot subtract 4a minus 2a. You have to start from the left to right. From the left, 10a minus 4a, which is 6a. 6a minus 2a, which is 4a. Another one. 1 by 5x cube is equal to 5x raised to minus 3. This is wrong. 1 over x cube is equal to x to the power minus 3 is correct. But 5 will be still in denominator. So it is x to the power minus 3 divided by 5. Similarly, 2x raised to minus 1 is not equal to 1 over 2x. It is 2 times 1 over x, that is 2 over x. If you want 1 over 2x, it is 2x to the power minus 1. 2x to the power minus 1 is 2 over x. Another one is, whenever you have x square is equal to some number, there are two square roots. It can be plus or minus. For example, x square is equal to 25. Immediately students write x is equal to 5. But there is one more answer, minus 5. Because the square of 5 is 25. Square of negative 5 also is 25. So if x square is equal to 9, x is equal to plus or minus 3. In quadratic, most of the students make these mistakes. X square minus 4x is equal to 3. X times x minus 4 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. X minus 4 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to this. X is equal to this. This is totally wrong. You can write this only for 0. So 3 should be taken to left hand side. So x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then factorize it and equate to 0. So if the right side is non-zero number, you cannot split like this. See this? 5 bracket x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 5x plus 10 the whole square. Is not right. You have to expand x plus 2 the whole square, then multiply by 5. So 5, then x plus 2 times x plus 2. See, 2a minus 3x square divided by 2x. X is cancelled. Is it right? No. You can cancel only if something is common in the numerator and denominator. So you can take some variable or number out and cancel like this. For example, 8a square minus a divided by a. A can be taken out, then a times 8a minus 1 divided by a, you can cancel a. The last one is, see this, 5x square is equal to x. X is cancelled from both sides, you get 5x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 over 5. But there is one more answer for this. To get that, you have to take x to the left hand side, then factorize it, then equate each one. Then you get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 over 5. I hope you understood this and try to avoid these mistakes in future. Thank you so much.